Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. The whale added that alternatives to decentralized money markets such as Compound and Aave are lined up, and pointed to the Cardano community being ready to bootstrap its own DeFi growth. The comments came shortly after Cardano surpassed Kusama in terms of total value locked. Earlier this month, Charles Hoskinson, co-founder and CEO of IO Global, the company responsible for Cardano's research and development, suggested we ain't seen nothing yet when it comes to TVL on Cardano, as several projects are waiting for the Vassal Hard Fork Combinator (HFC) event, which is expected to take place in June. Cardano, $ADA, transaction volume nears $70 billion as TVL on its DeFi protocols tops $400 million. The transaction volume seen on the Cardano, $ADA, network has recently gotten close to the $70 billion mark, surpassing the volume seen on the Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, networks. Cardano's surging volumes come as the total value locked on its decentralized finance, DeFi, apps tops $400 million. According to data from Messari, Cardano's daily transaction volume was at one point close to the $70 billion mark, above BTC's $15.9 billion and Ethereum's $3.6 billion. The only other chain that in a 24-hour period surpassed $1 billion in transaction volume was that of Litecoin, $LTC. Transaction volumes on the Cardano network have been exploding along with its decentralized finance ecosystem, which according to DeFi data is now above the $400 million mark. As CryptoGlobe reported, MintSwap, an automated market maker, decentralized exchange, DEX, on Cardano which supports multiple pricing functions for a single liquidity pool has recently become the top DeFi protocol on Cardano by total value locked. Next to it is SundaeSwap, a native, scalable decentralized exchange and automated liquidity provision protocol that is backed by Fund, Alameda Research, and Double Peak Group. While MintSwap has $188 million in total value locked, SundaeSwap has $113 million. As CryptoGlobe reported, a widely followed ADA whale has recently revealed they believe the total value locked and the Cardano blockchain is going into the billions soon as more projects are launched on top of it. The whale added that alternatives to decentralized money markets such as Compound and Aave are lined up, and pointed to the Cardano community being ready to bootstrap its own DeFi growth. Their comments came shortly after Cardano surpassed Kusama in terms of total value locked. Earlier this month, Charles Hoskinson, co-founder and CEO of IO Global, the company responsible for Cardano's research and development, suggested we ain't seen nothing yet when it comes to TVL on Cardano, as several projects are waiting for the Vassal Hard Fork Combinator (HFC) event, which is expected to take place in June. Agents will likely not change the trend. Besides, the price was already beginning to descend. The awesome oscillator stayed well below the zero line. Hence, momentum was firmly on the side of the bears. The OBV has also been moving southward, an indication that selling volume has been higher than the buying volume on the daily timeframe. The CVD indicator was also in bear territory. Conclusion: overall, the indicators highlighted that momentum and selling volume both pointed to the downside. The market structure was also bearish, and the $1 resistance zone would have to be beaten. As things stand, this was an unlikely outcome. To the south, 75 cents and 69 cents could see a minor bounce. And second news today, Cardano, up by 8%. The full story behind ADA's latest hike is Cardano in a rally, but not for long. While the exchange and derivatives front is doing well sitting in a bullish state, the on-chain performance is still pretty bearish. And it could be this way for a while since Cardano fell by a massive 71.15% over the last 6 months. Besides, this isn't the first rally recorded by Cardano that could be invalidated. Just last week, ADA spiked by 12. 49% before the rise was invalidated and were lined up, and pointed to the Cardano community being ready to bootstrap its own DeFi growth. The comments came shortly after Cardano surpassed Kusama in terms of total value locked. At the time of writing, Cardano's total value locked is above $315 million, up from around $200 million at the beginning of this month. According to Binance Academy, total value locked (TVL) for a DeFi protocol is the aggregate amount of funds locked into that. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.